So due to network connectivity, network disconnectivity, let me restart. So I was there, I was discussing that suppose we have sequence an of two elements, two symbols, say 0 and 1, or let me write it, the set of all sequence sequences of 0 and 1. So we need to prove that this set is uncountable. To prove that sequence of two or more symbols is uncountable. So the basic idea is that we will assume that this set is countable, and once it is countable, we know the definition of countable set, that it can be, I mean countably infinite set, that it can be listed with set of natural numbers. So either you denote it by 1, 2, 3, or a1, a2, a3, or alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, and so on. So whatever symbol you choose, one can list every member of this set with the set of natural number once it is countable. And then we will try to construct at members which are left out, which are not counted with the set of natural number, which are not labeled with the set of natural number. So that, how to do that construction? So on contrary, suppose that the given set S is countable. Given set S is countable. So if S is countable, let S is countable, then we can label the elements of the set as per definition of countability. Elements of set, then let me call the elements of set as, say, S1, S2, because this notation of S1, S2, or A1, A2, A3, or alpha 1, alpha, this is only possible if the set is countably infinite. Okay, so where S1 is equal to, say, A11, A12, A13, A14, and so on. S2 is equal to A21, A22, A23. I am listing the members of this one, A24, and so on. And S3 is equal to, say, A31, A32, A33, A34, and so on. So in this way, we have listed every member of this set because we have assumed that it is countable. Now, so at each entry, either A1 will be either 0 or 1. Similarly, A12 will be either 0 or 1. A13 will be. Now what we will do, that we will try to construct. Now let us construct another number L is equal to, say, B1, B2, B3, Bn, this pen, digital pen hangs down, so just wait. Yes, Bn plus 1, and so on. So where this B1 is different from this A11, I mean, if at this place we have 1, then choose B1 as 0, and if A11 is 0, then choose B1 as 1. So where B1 is not equal to A11, B2 is not equal to A22, and so on. And similarly, Bn is not equal to Ann. Therefore, we have constructed here a different element L, which is not equal to any of the Sn, for any n. Thus, we have constructed a new element which remain unlabeled. So L, one sequence of S. Therefore, I can say that one sequence of S remains unlabeled. remains unlabeled, therefore S is uncountable. S is uncountable. Now that doubt, someone may doubt that in case of C, in case of because here I have taken the symbol of two sequence. So in binary expression, I already discussed this one. All those cases in my lectures earlier on binary expression, I have discussed this case that x equal to 3/4. This real number can be expressed as this one, say 0.10111 ending in 1, and second as 0.11 then ending in 0. So in this special case, you can see that both converges to this one 3/4, both terminates to the unique real number 3/4. So using this, not only all sequences of two or more symbols, in fact every real number, in fact this open interval 0 1 is also uncountable. Why? Because every number has the same expression, just like this one. Say I can write the members of this S1 as 0.A11, A12, A13, and so on. And again, using the same approach, just put here decimal because every member is in this one, open interval 0 1. So again, by the same logic, one can construct uncountable number of this open interval. This uncountable number of sequences of this type, because every sequence correspond to a unique real number. So in this way, open interval 0 1 is also uncountable. So same logic works for this one. Also one can express R set of reals is also uncountable using same logic. However, there are some different proofs given in book, but this will also work for this one, because every real number can be expressed in binary expression. And we have seen that any sequence of two or more symbol is uncountable. So this is the reason why R is also uncountable. In fact, one can also say that open interval 0 1 being subset of there is another property that countable, every subset of countable set is uncountable, and here R open interval 0 1 is subset of R. Here open interval 0 1 is subset of R. So if this is uncountable, if this open interval 0 1 is uncountable, so this is also going to be uncountable. And one can clearly define that. One is very easy, that every subset of countable set is countable. Suppose A is some subset of a countable set, say B. If B is countable, then one can always define a 1-1 map, injective map, by choosing this one, f of x equal to x. I mean, from A to B, define a map, f from A to B, and suppose B is countable given, then, and let me map every element of A to x itself, because A is subset of B. So this is clearly 1-1. This is clearly 1-1, and one can also see from here, say from here, that cardinality of A is always less than equal to cardinality of B. So remember that every countables, every subset of countable set is countable. Every subset of countable set is countable. So the idea is that if here we have suppose 1, then one need to select B as 0. Similarly, if at this place A to 2 we have 0, then try to choose here as 1. So in this way, one can construct at least one element L which has not been labeled. So this is, so thus in this way we can say that the given set is uncountable. So this proof is very important, because it relates this one, that open interval 0 1 or closed interval 0 1. Similarly, we can prove that every interval is uncountable. Every non-trivial interval is uncountable. Now next is one can also so I was discussing the ternary expression. Yes. Now you can see from your book, if you share, let me open it, what is given in your book. So in that case, yes, now you can see this proof. Just read it, go through it. The interval 0, 1 is not countables. The same logic here they have there I have constructed using the binary system 0, 1. Again you can do the same using this decimal expression, decimal representation. Every number in this 0, 1 in 0, one can write it as 0.00 and so on, and 1 as 1.00, and the rest every number in between 0, 1 one can write in this form: x equal to 0.b1 b2 b3, where b1 has choices from 0 to 9, and I have shown that sequence of any sequence of two symbols. So again this is like a sequence. This is similar to the sequence, this b11, b12, b13 and b1n. So b1n and so on. So similarly, in the same way, one can show that again we have constructed a member. That construction is given here. So one can say that they have constructed this y. This y1, look this y1 how they have defined, because we have taken here the 10 symbols. So suppose at b11, now look at this b11. If bnn is greater than equal to 5, I mean if at this place suppose we have 6, 5, 6, either 5, 6 or 7 or 8 or 9, suppose out of this anyone is there, then in place of this I mean y1, choose y1 different from 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So let me assign it as 2. And if it's one to bind. In set theory, you will also learn that Cartesian product, integral countable set copies. So because